Hey there, it's my very real pleasure to bring you this brand new listing I just took up here in the northwest section of Cape Coral. We're up here in my neck of the woods, not too far away from where I live, but this is a beautiful golf access pool home here, heated pool home with a beautiful dock package. It's got a covered 13,000 pound boat lift that we're gonna check out here in just a second. And we're under $600,000. This thing just went on the market a couple of days ago. And you know, for a 7-year-old home like this, a pool home up in the northwest section of Cape Coral, you don't see too many of these getting under $600,000, especially with that beautiful view back there. So let's jump right into it.
Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel. I'm a near 20-year full-time real estate broker here in Cape Coral in Southwest Florida, and I do a new video like this every single week on this channel. I think you'll just enjoy seeing these videos every week, and they'll give you a lot of great information if you are interested in the area. Welcome to 3410 Yucatan Parkway, Cape Coral, Florida. This is a beautiful 2018 built concrete block golf access pool home here in the northwest section of Cape Coral. It features 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms with just under 1,800 square feet of living area inside, plus a 2-car attached garage, a large screened-in pool deck and outdoor living space, and a huge dock and covered boat lift, all looking south down this really wide canal that offers boating access out to the Gulf of America. This home is ready to go. It's already got a great landscaping package in place, plus it has total hurricane protection in the form of impact windows and doors. So those, along with the newer age of the roof, are going to get you some nice insurance discounts on this home. So here we go. The home has some nice high ceilings in here and a great open floor plan. This is a great room concept with the kitchen nice and open to this big central living room. And it's also a split bedroom plan with the primary suite on one side and then the guest bedrooms and bath on the other side. Again, the kitchen is nice and open here in the corner. It's got that bi-level central island there. Plenty of cabinet space in here. Nice granite countertops. Those go really well with the newer stainless steel appliances and the sink. Not a bad view to have while you're doing dishes here either. The breakfast nook here is right next to the kitchen, and it's got excellent views of the waterfront out back as well. And these are pocketing hurricane impact sliders too, so these open all the way up behind the door, so you can get some really nice breezes in through the house on a great Florida fall day like today. Right off the breakfast nook is the primary suite, and you can see this home has tile flooring everywhere except the bedrooms. There's nice, soft, clean carpeting in all the bedrooms here. Of course, there's great natural light and waterfront views in this primary bedroom from another set of hurricane impact sliders out to that screened-in pool deck. I like these tall recessed ceilings in here as well. And as we find our way back into the primary bathroom, we've got a pair of walk-in closets here on the left and the right in the hallway to the bathroom. And considering the size of the house, this is actually a pretty decent sized primary bathroom. You've got the private lavatory on the right, a beautiful walk-in shower with a frameless glass door, and then a big dual vanity with underhung sinks. As we head on to the other side of the house where the guest rooms are, here's where the garage entrance is. That's a nice, spacious 2-car attached garage out there. Of course, laundry facilities are in the house. Got some nice laundry cabinets above there. And here's the front guest room. These guest bedrooms are actually pretty big, and they both actually have walk-in closets as well. And then next door is the other guest bedroom, again with the walk-in closet, and this one has a little bit better view through those hurricane impact windows out there. I guess your guests have to fight over who gets the better view. And all the way at the end of the hallway in the guest wing of the house is the guest bathroom, and this also services the main areas of the house. This has a combo tub shower in there. It's got floor-to-ceiling tile walls in that shower, which is really nice for a guest bathroom. And this also services as the pool bathroom. That exterior door gets out to that screened-in pool deck out there, so you don't have to travel inside to come into the bathroom from the pool deck. All right, so let's head outside because this property is all about the outdoor living spaces. First of all, we've got a massive screened-in pool deck and outdoor living space out here. You can see there's a ton of shaded space under the truss right here. plenty of sunshine space out there. This is southern rear exposure, so you're gonna have the best and most consistent sunshine here in the back all day long. The under truss portion is a great place to sit and watch a game or something like that, or maybe have a table and chairs out here for al fresco dining. That spot over there in the corner also is plumbed in for an outdoor kitchen, so this is ready to install your outdoor kitchen right here on the side of the lanai. But maybe the centerpiece of the entire outdoor living spaces back here is, of course, the waterfront. And not only do you have these excellent big water views down the canal, but there is an absolutely huge walk-around composite dock with a massive 13,000-pound covered boat lift that covers just up at the house right now. This thing is remote controlled for ease in getting in and out of the slip there, and it can easily accommodate a really good sized vessel here. It's both wide and long. And the boating access here is pretty good as far as the Northwest is concerned. We're maybe only about 30 or so minutes out to the exit of the canal system, which gets out into Matlacha Pass. So you're a solid 30 minutes away from waterfront dining as it is. It's still pretty easy to zip over and have lunch or drinks or something and get home rather quickly. But it's probably only about 10 or 15 minutes away from the new Seven Islands project, which is going in just down the street. So once that thing gets up and running, you'll really have a great dockable waterfront restaurant right down the canal from you. That project is one of the big reasons why this area is growing so rapidly. It's just a really exciting time to be in the Northwest Cape right now.
So I hope you enjoyed this quick little tour of this beautiful golf access home up here in the northwest section of Cape Coral. If you got any interest or you want to learn more information about it, of course the link is down in the description. Of course, my contact information is right there on the screen. If I can help you with anything, whether it's this property or any other property out in Southwest Florida, certainly give me a call, shoot me a text, whatever it takes. Beyond that, make sure you're subscribed so you can be around for these videos every week, and I appreciate your time. I'll see you in the next video here in just a few days.
Like and subscribe. Just kidding.